baba. Sakataka wena ubalishe. Asilale tena kusabale. I don't know, should I go live? Yeah. How? Ni fast young. Ni fast. Lantana he scored. This is going to be goal of the season if I'm not mistaken, because what? And already you guys send him come on profile pictures when I train and lalin the fast and that's too much. Abo guys, I can take angas maybe saying yakuka. Yo, I hate them yo. And in a party because they always follow me, Shem. Kids will follow me. Ngisho ngathiwa angikhulumi nabo like bazonglandela. I don't know what is it. Yabona nje. Ngiyakowisha shame. Because why do kids feel like I don't know. Honestly, guys, I'm trying to get a better lighting. Or should I use my other phone? I think so. Anyways, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Woo-woo! Kidding, it's not a YouTube channel. But hi guys, how are you guys doing? I'm at sleepy I can't. Kasi I'm at sleepy. I should go to my room. So yeah. Yellow container bush. Go to my room. So it's been a while. Yeah, hey, but I was live yesterday. I don't know. I'm not why I feel so, but I feel like today, I'm having the outside. Having shama vosh or some way because the atmosphere is giving and the weather. Yeah, so yeah, I should be outside, bro. Yeah, driver some way. So how are you guys doing and where are you and how do you feel about today's match and how was y'all's day? So yeah, I just wanna get myself used to go by live and like checking up on you guys. Abo? Yeah. Phone was dry, I should pass by, need to say hi, invite every day. Abo? Because I'm not yo, abantwana bayathanda ukungilandela guys. To tell you who's labantwana, they're actually that side. Move angazala sebala. Angazi some things are saying like, hey, hi, how are you? I'm a video work. I am traumatized. Which video are you talking about? Okay, yeah, I'm just outside. I'm just outside. I didn't go to gym today. I just didn't feel like it. But you shouldn't force when you don't feel like it. Hi, how are you? Right now, bagude nyana, but uzobona sebala. Mina leo bed like nje ukuthi abantwana bayathanda ulandela. You don't force the gym. Yeah, no. Today I didn't feel like it. Cause bengilele shem. Mara ngaboma 4:30 I was up and it gym was 4. Usually ngihamba ngo-4. 4:30 I was up. I was like, today I feel like it's a gym day. So yeah. Ngifunda ini? Mindle ngifunda. Go I like this. Actually, yazi bengifuna sikhulume ngale game ye Bafana. bekudlala isquad namhlanje. Ngizwa ngabantu nami. Mina bekithi kudlala iPirates neSundowns bafana no squad. Ngoba thina bas-sideline. I didn't watch the game, but my highlights and what a goal from Denison. Lapho bengiceda ukudlula ivideo yomuntu ayenze I think a month ago if I'm not mistaken. I'm posting last week to this guy is a problem and this is about a problem. How mangithi bo nangivele sekashaya bese izinto za organic izinto zabo payers lezi. Dala wayibona ingozi. That was beautiful, huh? Bafana. Hey, basho njalo face. So nje thina asingeni lapho. Bafana beyidlala namhlanje. Thina nje ndaba yethu ayikho. How was the game though? Angitholi hype cause angitholi hype. I think igame mayidlala nje lofsas guys, like let's be honest, kuyabhora lapha. Kuyabhora. Sibakhulu ningasho nje. Hey thina sikhuluma indaba zabantu. We only speak about us. Bafana bokuthula noxolo but simenko. Asikhulumi ngabanye abantu, sikhuluma indaba zabantu. We know those kind of people. I don't watch match. Ngizibhela ama highlights because bengilele. Well, ngafast forward ngabona kancane. Ngalala futhi. Because I was like, yini eningayisho kodwa mina. Hayi uzokhuluma ngathi. Thina athi explainele ngathi thina Kaizer. We don't speak about amanye team. But ayikho team engakhulumi ngathi. Ayizwa le nto. Yeah. I'm sure I catch ukuthi ngithini. Yeah. Angeke size la sizo explain ukuthi hey manje sifila kanje asifeel lutho ngani but you guys nina ama feelings ngathi ngeteam yethu ninokufila ngathi siyadliwa nifila ngathi siyaluza nifila ngathi sinama players nje esingawanikeza igame time nina ama feelings ngathi amaningi of which thina sinama feelings ngama players wenu asinama feelings ngani asinendaba ukuthi ngenza kanjani nase ngiyakuthanda so nje ayishimfethi deep kakhulu lethu. It's very deep. We hardly speak about hey something yabo like roast every day khona umuntu oboshwayo. I hope ngenzeka into right cause ngibathe ngiyangaphi kuyaboshwa ubona nje umuntu sebam handcuffile mangalo and then ngoba lona bekakhuluma manje angithule umuntu ezibeka thina lathina sithi enkulu mfethu ayiyo yengwe. It's just us. Bes yabo nje igame namhlanje bengana hype kanjani cause besingekho thina sibekudlala thina aw ngobilo sasincane kanjena ngazi sibekuzenza la. We are the biggest team and like yeah just give it to us cause ayikho team enkulu njengethu ukuthi nithi siyadliwa banokungibhora sometimes but ngi happy ukuthi ngi Kaizer Chiefs fan ngijabula ngaphakathi the biggest team yeah no inkulu kakhulu yeah futhi yazi. How did the application of dating you go? Did one of the applicants got the job? Guys, people makuthiwa ama reference bachaza itori so akekho umuntu uthola ispan niyaminya. You pray that we lose, not even shame. There's like a huge difference between ukuthanda iteam yakho nokuzonda amateam wabantu. Yabo with me I always say this, mina ngithanda iteam yami but I don't hate Pirates. angizwe Pirates ngiyayibu and like yazi I think ngiyibuka kakhulu kudlula team yami. I do have ama-players amaningi. Okay, awekho amaningi ayi-2. My favorite players ku-Pirates ayi-2. Ngithanda uSipho Chain, ngithanda uSihle Nduli phela. And ngiyazi ukuthi nabanye ba-right badlala kahle and all that. I do watch ama-metro abo. But angifavor Pirates mara ngiyayibuka because yeah, kumnandi nje ukubhekela ibhola. I love watching soccer. But I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I don't hate other teams. Selokhu ngiyabonga. Udume ngani ubani lo? Udume ngani uba? Chaza futhi khuluma indaba yakhe izwakale sizothi uthini sizokhona ukukusiza because bosibuza indaba zamahafu la isikhathi asikho asinalanga lonke uthi udume ngani ubani? Sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi uthini. Wakuphi usisi wakuphi? Usuka le uzophapha la. Umfaka bani yena lo? Umfaka bani yena lo? Ubuyaphi? Uphostwa yini la? Bro, I just wanted you to read my comment. I said I love you. How? Nami ngiyakuthanda. Sawubona mama. Sawubona Andile unjani? Mina ngiyaphila. Once a chief, always a chief. Like, yeah. Ithime angeke yabo mfana angeke ngikwazi ukuyeka ukufavor Kaizer. Sengibekezele kakhulu sidliwa, ngajabula kakhulu siwina. I don't think ilento ngai trader for anything. Sing for the second time at Carlton Center. Third time will be a charm. From today you'll start hating other teams, especially Pirates. Ngoban, can you borrow me 800 tanga? Hey, how are you? Crazy for life. Yeah, no, definitely. Mama. Hi, Nkanyisa, how are you? The fact that you said thank you makes me happy. Others you'd send gifts, bazithulele njalo ngiyabonga. You're so beautiful. Thank you so much. And don't understand that this comes from heart. Yeah, no, Brahmin, I do understand. Also, imali. I just wanted you to read my comment. I said I love you. Mina, if you're ngithanda, if I won't stand you, okay. Like, okay, sharp. I'm wasted and my bed is spinning after today's match. Kenza Island and Ufeba team, who do you support in there? In the what? In there. Coasty. It's cold. It's not that cold. Mina, the reason why I'm outside is because I'm changing getting I need to go outside. I need to get some fresh air. Why do you keep on copying my comments? One girl once said that ngiyishela ngabona ukuthi no angiyekele. Yathini? What did she say? What did she say? Oh, Premier League. Support bani? Support bani? Amati, okay. That coldness is going to make your 8-pack sick. I see inhloko le. Inhloko yazi hey guys, no, please stop this inhloko thing. Yazi inhloko is like angazi maybe ngiyahlanya. I believe ukuthi inhloko is like when you have a big head. But if it's lincane njengelami, ikhanda, or it's a head. Inhloko is something else. I don't know, like inhloko I think it ends sense if you want umuntu like who has a big head and you're like, hey, no, inhloko enkulu. Yeah, that it makes sense. Mara like if I just have a small head and you're like inhloko yakho, I know I see inhloko le. I don't know, but no. Ngithanda wonke umuntu ongangithandi ngiyamxolela. I was like, hayibo. Haye, manje if angithandi happy birthday phuma yimi. Do you ever get angry? Yes. Ngikwata ke mina. Okay, no team, I see. Guys, emhlabeni mina yazi ukuthi nginjani. I'm a very straightforward person. Like today ayikho team yami beyidlala, so ayikho team bengiyifavor. I'm not those fans athi okay, since ngithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs, I hate Pirates, so when Pirates is playing against Sundowns then I'm a Sundowns. No, I don't do that. Mina nje I'm a Kaizer fan through and through. Or kanti ngisithandela Real Madrid phela. Hayi ukuthi manje i-Man City ngiyayizonda, i-Man City beyidlala maybe ne-Tottenham, mina sengifavor i-Tottenham. I don't do that. Yayizwa leyo nto leyo. Yeah. Okay, bye. Time for drinks. Bye bye. Ikhanda lenkomo inhloko. Yeah, bra. Like, okay, even like umuntu that has a big head inhloko leyo. Cause why unekhanda linga inhloko? Like it's like it makes sense ukuthi unenhloko enkulu. Like prowekini. Ubamba inkunzi yini wama ekhoneni. Is that supposed to be a joke? Yazi yabanda bro, do you trade? Oh, every time when I'm supposed to post and update you guys about my trading journey, I forget, but I do trade. And yeah, ngizona update futhi angazi ukuthi nini sengiyasaba ukuyenza promise because I just keep on forgetting. Ayingeke ubuke I understand as what you're saying. The right hand sign you always do when you call us on videos. And why do you always ask me that? Let me follow you. Thank you. Trump text after this, please. Yo. Abantwana guys, yo. God, angazi ukuthi why ungenza so, but yeah, abantwana bangilandela. And angazi ukuthi is this a good sign? Yes, abantwana i-blessing, but hayibophela kusabantwana bami lapho. And angibazi and they just follow me nje. They never nje ukuthi usibona umuntu ongamazi uthi hallo ngifuna ukumlandela. And I'm not talking about abantwana abayi-5 abayi-6. It's like over 20 kids. Zizingilandele nje. Zisho ngabantu zithi hello, you're so pretty. Thank you, you're pretty now. Hello, you're so pretty. Hello. Yabo ngoba badlala la. It's because I'm standing here. Move uzobona because I was that side. They went that side. Sengla sebala. Who's counting numbers now? What numbers? Because I'll pay more, yeah. Because even through and through. Asidlali la. Lately shem ngiyithanda team yama ngifuna ukuqamba man. Bayitshela ukuthi untanga. Ne? Hello, you're so pretty. Thank you. Hello, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Abanye ngibona ukuthi lo mdala ke lo. So luthi una 16. Yabo uthi indoda phela le. Mncane impela kunami but nje ayibo umdala kabona ukuthi kwalo ulandelana nomuntu ongamazi. Hello, hayibo. Hayibo. Thank you guys so much for the gifts once again. Buki security sele cartel because ungayithini vele indaba yalabantwana abahlanya so. And abazobuya abo ngoba ngilandi, they're gonna come back. This one is climbing on top. Guys, ningazali. Yes. Oh, and alimbona security alimbona. Let's go fishing together. No sabaka ufishing nuela kabe ngothandi futhi siyanquma classically. Yes sir. The biggest team in the world. Yes, I was so happy today. I came across a video of Regine Lovu. Say Real Madrid. My name's Wab. So this guy shoots was each and every player was a corner and Mhlabeni soccer player yes, because like he was saying okay, low Vinicius in Warawara, and then was a good Bellingham, of course. Mameli, what's it Bellingham? Angazi Pele dance. Let's dance. Umdance omnandi into ezinjalo. So now every time I post Bellingham I know what to write. Muhle ngiyabonga. So nje ngicabanga ukuthi nje Fafa post Bellingham. Futhi bayadlala ngo9. Team yami iyadlala. Unfortunately I won't be able to watch because endlini bazobe bebhekela iTV, but yeah. I'm gonna post that with Zaddy. dance omnandi. This guy should he knows everyone who plays soccer. Should again. Because Abegasho Mbappe or Sense full stop. Yabona nje abo Vinicius ngikhohle ukuthi utheni ngoVinius. I want to take a trip there. Let's go fishing together. I'll be near Madagascar. I hate fishing. When do you open again for applications of dating you? Ubani lo sivuyile. Hayibo. No, phela guys, Christmas is one in a year. So nah. We get wama wedwa ekhoneni. How do you guys know ukuthi sekhoneni la? Oh. I'm always alone. You should get used to it. I'm trying one. Here's a new one. If I'm with my little brother or my siblings, I'm new one. Especially for you, of jewels and crystals, ish, Brazo, Solomons. Indaba njalo umuhle kanje. Ngiyabonga. Poem to you. Fonelani firefighter now iyakuthanda uSolomon. Yo. Sanisa abantu kephi naba uSolomon bafuna ukuyobamba Please stop. You speak so many languages. No, I only speak Zulu. So don't mind my hair. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Three. I only spoke Zulu and a little bit of English. Just a little bit. Lapho nalapho. Masingalala phandle namhlanje. Yo, I just want to be outside, bro. Someone adores. Hi. Can't wait to do my hair. I hate burning relevance, so honestly. As much as I hate burning relevance. Why do you hate fishing? Because I don't like fish. I'm not a fish fan. You guys are driving me crazy. I wish ngalinethi izulu futhi. So that ngizolala the way ngilale ngakhona ngilale kamnandi nini. It was nice. Yeah, I'm such a lonely kid. Mara, that's fine. I'm complaining that you're lonely. Hello. Also, like Yafana, even if I can make friends, I'm an introvert, you guys. Yo, like, it's bad. Oh my God. Oh my. Let Solomon cook. Don't stop you. Hello, beautiful. Hi, how are you? I'd like to, yo, Kulunkulam Jesus Christ. I know as in disturb Solomon. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm not lonely, fan. That's the truth. You're lonely. Mara fan, like, angibathanda abangani. So nje isipandere namangani. Hello friend. Hi Bongani, how are you? Even if I can try make friends, I'm plans to meet ngizoba mice, ngizobaleka, like ngi-introvert. At the same time angithandi ukuba lonely. Angazi ukuthi indaba yami izothiwani, honestly. I don't know. I wonder what's their plan. Because you can see that this person has a fear of heights, but she keeps looking down there. Angazi noma ufuna ukuzibulala or really. But hello my love, hi, how are you? Akafaki ibhube uSolomon me serious nje. Solomon uzwile ke? Send me a lion gift. So that we can see that you are super serious about me. Can you comment engidlulile ngaso sithini? Oh, I know. Solomon was cooking. Should streak yethu ngeke ifike ku 200 days. Usisi wami siyayifikisa mina nosisi wami yethu. So Kishapuka vibe for real. Nakhona young forced because streak. I don't know how many times they have to send me messages to tell me good streak, don't let the streak die. Mara like vele bangisendela things that I know yabo kulula cause sikhuluma ngezinto zasekhaya yabo sihleka abantu basekhaya so kumnandi so strict siyafika kuma 300 to 200. Please stop calling me no more day wena. But I'm just outside nje. Because Gash is saying yabo. So yeah. Hi, labantwana love. Now they're taking pictures this side. The reason why I moved is because they were taking pictures that side. Sabona, hi Andrani. Timen, Tammy, hi Tammy. Wamuhle mama ngiyabonga. Bathi uNomonde. Like no, this guy, I think he was dating uNomonde or whatever, but he calls me Nomonde. Angazi why. So ngahlalusa a beast. Good why ngibiza Nomonde. Ngizihambela ngiwani kumnandi. Ngathi ngakhumula le jeans. Angazi if lent isachoka yini because phela na it's no longer connected, no it doesn't. Funa nginibonisa mina. Nathula ngathu ghosti bamaniwe. Yini? Bafuna? Awusabi. It's very much safe, babe. Trust me. Can you guys see me? I should take my phone. Can kumula? Can you guys see me? Or I should take my phone using a closer. That body needs me. Maybe you need help. I don't know. Ngilonge shem. That's the qiniso. Ngikhulumela kamnandi. I don't think you guys see me. Take it closer. Wajola. No. Like tight yako e blue. Ash guys, please. Umuhle nani ngiyabonga. Take your phone back. Uguya, please. Why? Can we meet somewhere? Ivan, how are you doing, beautiful? I'm okay. How are you? Yo, shy fresh air, fun. The only problem engizofacana nayo ukuthi I don't have enough battery. Accept request. I'm sorry guys, I can't. Yeah, at least yabolo moya lo ngiyawuthanda. Khona umoya ngishayo banda kamnandi, a lot of energy. Banging body to me, thank you so much. I don't think you guys ngibona kahle. Angazi ukuthi ngiyibeka kule phone. I need you for one day. Ayo. You're speaking at least what? Asebebona intombi yani manje. Are you in Durban? Looks like Durban Point. No, I'm in Johannesburg, babe. Why am I calling you babe? Let me take iphone yami sibone ukuthi le. Yeah. You should have done the 7 nasekuqaleni. So gents, get off. No, I don't know. I just keep calling people babe. Njengi njalo Nkosi yami, please. We ngihlele nje at least inkinga yakhe ibhethu not imali. Nemali. Ufane nabanye abantwana nawe uqoke kahle. Awu, ngaphelele ejele. Ngifaka amakausi amamasha, by the way. Njengoba nicela omunye ukuthi athi babe, kanti wena why do you have i-problem engaka? Tshela sekani nahle bathungu. Awu.